Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and log food with a photo on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with choosing what theme we want to be a part of. Right here at the bottom right corner, we have the themes option to go ahead and filter out the themes to find which one suits us the best. And from here, we can get started with choosing our theme. Once you've done that, we can get started following the themes workouts right here on the main page. So let's go and take a look at how to log food with a photo alongside their workouts to see what we have been eating. So basically, you're going to go to the nutrition tab right here in the bottom right corner. You also have the nutrition tab that's going to enable us to set up our tracking. So this is going to enable us to set up our tracking option for our calories, macronutrients, whatever we have eaten in the day. We can go ahead and add it to your journal right here. As you can see, you need a premium plan, so keep in mind you cannot use a ladder for free. You need a premium plan. So once you've done that, you can go into the nutrition tab right here and set it up, and just like this, you're going to have the photo icon that's going to enable you to take photos of your food to add them alongside your journal to the workouts, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.